Here it is, a 1998 Ford F-Series truck. It's got a Cummins diesel in it. It's running right now. 24-foot box, excellent storage. It's got, Marlene tells me it's got 16 foot of shelving on each side in that box. Now, there must be a cable broke on the door because I couldn't get the darn door open. Maybe you can. Good storage. Truck runs. That's about all I can tell you. Automatic. And 215,000 miles on it. Automatic. Motor and drive. I feel like a super trucker. There you go, BenMeyerAuctions.com. Check it out. The Garry Olmstead estate. We're out here working for Marlene. She gets ready to sell everything, so bid your price. Any questions, give me a call. Thanks for looking. Good luck bidding.